Okay, so today we're going to have a look at a question involving identifying transition metal compounds A, B, D, and E. So we start off here where we're working out the waters of crystallization. So A is being heated and it's being turned into B, and we're getting waters of crystallization. And if we put under here mass mR moles, moles of B is 0.018 and mass of water is 1.944. The mass of B must be A take away the water, which is 4.8 take away 1.944, which is 2.856 grams. MR of water we know is 18, so we can work out the MR of B there. 2.856 divided by 0.8 is 158.7 to 1 decimal place. And the moles of water there would be 1.944 divided by 18, which is 0.108. So the ratio of moles of the salt to water there is divided by the smallest number of moles, 0.108 divided by 0.018, which is 6. So we know this is a 1 to 6. So we have 6 waters of crystallization. Solid B contains 32.8% by mass. B is reacted with silver nitrate to form a white precipitate. So from our knowledge of halide ions there, we know this must be silver chloride, and B must contain therefore chlorine. So for AgCl, mass is 7.695. Mr is 108 plus 35.5, which is 143.5. Therefore, number of moles 7.695 divided by 143.5 is 0.0536 moles of AgCl, which therefore must be our moles of Cl minus. And if we look now at the ratio between our solid B and our chloride ions, and 18 to 54, this is almost a 1 to 3 ratio. So therefore we know we've got 3 chlorines in our formula for B. Now we know the MR of B is 158.7. If we take away 3 chlorines from that, then we end up with 52.2. And that's our transition metal, which if we're looking at periodic table, looking at transition metal with MR of around about 52. And that would be chromium. So our formula for B is CrCl3. And therefore we know that A was B with waters of crystallization. So CrCl3 with 6 H2Os. B is CrCl3. C we know is AgCl. D, well, if we add chromium chloride to water and get a green solution, that would be the hexaqua transition metal complex. So D must be CrH2O6. And because in chromium chloride it's got an oxidation state of 3, so this would be 3+. And if we add that solution with aqueous sodium hydroxide, we get a grey-green precipitate. So the precipitate must be one we've cancelled out the charge. So we'd need 3 hydroxide ions. So E must be Cr H2O3 OH3, or simply CrOH3. So therefore, we've identified all the transition metal compounds: A CrCl3 6H2O, B CrCl3, D CrH2O6 3+, and E CrOH3. And C was silver chloride. Okay, hope you find that useful. And hopefully see you on the next video.